Hi, I'm Dr. Anastasia Vela. Today we're decoding the fascinating science of bioavailability inside Vila formulations. Ever feel constantly fatigued and bloated, even after taking those incredibly expensive live probiotic supplements? Let's explore why. Shockingly, up to 99.99% of traditional live bacteria are literally destroyed the moment you ingest them. Think of them as unprotected foot soldiers. They're instantly wiped out in the artillery war zone of stomach acid. The solution? Metabiotics. They act like armored delivery drones, safely bypassing all those harsh gastric enzymes. Thanks to this armor, 95 to 97% of T8 Mobio Plus reaches your colon completely unchanged. Just mix 5 grams in 30 milliliters of non-dairy liquid to reduce inflammation and boost beneficial native strains. But what happens when this bioavailability crisis hits your cellular energy? Let's look at systemic fatigue. Heavy training and daily stress severely deplete our mitochondria. Those are essentially your cellular energy batteries. Traditional supplements just mask fatigue with stimulants, causing crashes. Vila prioritizes structural, long-term cellular repair instead. Oxidative stress is literally like biological rust. It aggressively punches microscopic holes right through your lipid bilayers. To fix these leaks, our bodies urgently need dolichos, synthesized from plant-derived polyprenols found in Siberian coniferous trees. Your liver converts these bioavailable polyprenols through a precise 3-step enzymatic pathway into vital, functional dolichos. These dolichos act as cellular spackle. They physically seal the microgaps and completely restore your natural energy production. Vila delivers these crucial precursors via the CYP-XP complex. It's a patented triple fraction compound from the Siberian taiga. The CGNC paste brilliantly emulsifies the hydrophobic polyprenols, which completely maximizes their biological absorption into your system. For athletes wanting optimization, the T8 Extra Concentrate pairs this complex alongside bioavailable iron and maltol. This synergy massively expands your active muscle fibers' oxygen storing capacity, which actively delays your anaerobic threshold. For acute physical performance, the T8 Beet Shot uses powerful beetroot nitrates to trigger a nitric oxide cascade. This powerful vasodilation safely enhances your muscle pump and rapidly clears out metabolic waste during heavy training. Take the Beet Shot pre-workout and combine it with T8 Extra twice daily for continuous mitochondrial repair. Genuine performance enhancement isn't just about superficial stimulation. It actually requires maintaining structural integrity at the cellular level. So, here's my final thought. Are you merely masking your fatigue or actively repairing your cellular batteries?